SQL Session Factory responsibilities in MyBatis. Now we are here. You can see SQL Session Factory responsibilities. SQL Session Factory is responsible for creating SQL Session instances. SqL Session Factory applies the factory design pattern, which provides a set of methods for creating SQL session instances. Method description: the default open session method has no parameters. It will create a SQL session with the following characteristics. Transaction is transaction scope will be returned. Transaction scope will be turned on. That is not automatically committed. Connection objects will be obtained from data source instance configured by current environment. Transaction isolation level will use the default settings of the driver or data source. Prepared statement will not be reused, and the updates will not be processed in batches. Transaction isolation level represent the transaction isolation level, which corresponds to 5 transaction isolations levels. The executor type and enumeration type defined 3 values. Executor type dot simple. This type of executor has no special behavior. It creates a new prepared statement for execution of each statement. Executor type dot reuse. This type of execution will reuse the prepared statement. Executor type batch. This type of executor will execute all update statement in batches. If select is executed in the middle of the multiple update statement will be separated if necessary to facilitate understanding. The SqL Session Factory life cycle. SqL Session Factory should always exist in the form of a singleton during the runtime of the application. Here SqL Session Factory is connected to Open Session. Open Session is connected to SQL Session. Here none read committed, run none read uncommitted, read committed, repeatable read, and serializable is connected to transaction isolation level. Method here simple, reuse, and batch. Simple, reuse, and batch are connected to executor type. Here auto commit, transaction isolation level, executor type, and connection is connected to open session here. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.